Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this big eye effect in Premiere Pro. So as you can see over here in my timeline, I've already imported a video onto my timeline. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go over to my video effects, select video effects and search for the spherize effect. Now select the spherize effect and drag it onto my video clip over here, and you will notice that the spherize effect has been added onto the first control panel over here. Another thing you will notice when you select the spherize effect, you will notice that a center of sphere has been added to your project monitor over here. So what you need to do is to drag this onto the left eye or any eye you want to increase first. And for the sake of clarity, I'm going to rename this effect and change it to left eye and hit OK. And just in case if you can no longer see the center of sphere, all you need to do is to select the spherize effect once more and it's going to reappear. So what I'm going to do right now is to come over here and zoom in so I can really see what I'm working with. And remember guys, at any point if you can no longer see this icon, just come over here and select this spherize effect. Now the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your timer is at the beginning of the clip and move the spherize effect to the center and come over to your first control panel here and select your center of sphere. As you can see, the icon is no more showing, so I'm going to select the spherize effect here once more. So what I'm going to do now is to begin to move a few frames forward and align my center of sphere to the center of my eyes. And take note guys that when you are dragging, you are not dragging these little dots that appear here because those indicate the tracks that you are placing for this effect. So you're going to select the side of this circle over here and move this along with your eyes. And as you can see, keyframes are being added automatically. And also you can also apply this effect even while the eyes is closed. So it doesn't need to be frame by frame. You can move it 2 to 3 frames each time. So once I'm done, I'm going to fit this back to normal. And I'm going to come over to the radius here and increase the radius to somewhere around 150 or 200. But I'll set this to 200. So you'll notice that the edges are a little bit sharp around here. If I move this, you can see what we have created. But you will notice that the edges are really sharp. So to correct this, you come over to your first control panel over here, and under your spherize effects, you're going to select this create ellipse mask and move this ellipse mask to somewhere around the eyes. So the next thing I need to do now is to increase the feather and to reduce the mask expansions. I'll make the mask expansion just exactly around the eye itself. So I made a mistake. I'm going to drag this to the first frame of this video over here. I'll make sure that this circle dot here is around the eye perfectly. So what I'm going to do now is to add a keyframe for the mask part here. I'm going to select this track selected mask forward keyframe here, and automatically Premiere Pro is going to track this effect. Alright guys, so if I move over to the beginning and hit play now, you can see what we have created. Alright, so you can also create this for the right eye. All you need to do is to go over to your effects panel once more and drag this spherize effect once more to your clip. Scroll down, rename this once more to the right eye. Move over to the first frame. Drag this to the center of your eyes and select center of sphere here. And once more, you need to zoom in to see it properly. And at this point, you can begin to track it. I'm going to fast forward this. Alright guys, so now that I'm done, I'm going to fit this back properly, and I'll increase the radius to fit the same size with the previous one. So I'll set this to 200. So basically I will repeat the same process. Toggle on the mask part and begin tracking it in Premiere. And now if I scroll through, you can see what we have created over here. So if I come over here and I deselect this effect, the left eye, you can see what we had. If I deselect the right, you can see what we had. And that's it guys on how to create this bulgy eyes effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.